Buddy, what a big girl you are. All right. Oh. Okay. Come here, sweetie. Hey, hey. Come here. Come here. Come here, honey. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Hey, no door watching. Focus on Daddy. Come here. Come here. All right. That is such a good girl. That is such a good girl. Yeah. Can I get a big smile? Can you say, Daddy? Who's that? Who's that? Do you see yourself? Oh my gosh, that's you.
Okay, come see. Ask Daddy to see, please.
That's you. All right, let's see Big Nick. Oh, look at Nick wearing his Cub shirt. Opening day Cub man.
Want to sit in your chair and show Daddy how
Are you
you
a
play
Cub
cards in your new
fan?
table?
Yeah.
So get in your chair, watch
You
Daddy.
playing cards?
He's got a new table. Mommy bought it for him. Now he can play cards on the table. Got his yogurt right there.
Very
Daddy, how you play
neat.
cards?
You playing
See?
poker?
No.
What are you playing?
Cars.
Playing Go Fish?
No. No.
Oh. Which card's your favorite? You got any jacks? Can you show me a jack?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that, Nick?
Yeah.
What was that? Oh, there's a joker. Allison wants to play too. You gotta let Allison play.
No, baby.
Hey, don't hit her. Don't hit her. She just wants to play some cards. Right, huh? I just want to play with my brother. Alright, guys, give me one last smile. Say hi, Grandma. Nick, say hi, Grandma.
He's saying Dada.
Alright.